everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. I have a unbagging here, so we'll see what I got there. Go ahead and put my glasses on so I actually can see something. Got my blade. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, and when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. So you definitely want to subscribe, ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. Like the videos that you enjoy, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And I'm still rocking my Dooney & Bourke Haunted Mansion crossbody. So this is a pretty cool little bag. It holds quite a bit for being so small. Plus, if you spill something on it, you can wipe it off and there's no worries. So I am kind of liking the Disney bags for that reason, so you don't have to worry. Plus, the weather here is so unpredictable, it's really hard to take out your designer bags because you don't know if you're going to get hailed on, rain, snow, sleet. So you just have to kind of play it by ear if you're going to take out one of your designer bags. Alright, so let's go ahead. Got in. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we got a return label. And this is from Atlas for Men and Atlas for Women, made for adventure. So this must be for my hubby Ted, because this wouldn't be something I would probably order. Alright, let's check it out. Okay. Oh, thanks for the coffee, honey.
Well, you're welcome.
Oh, your package came. Alright, return to. And half of it is in French and the other half is in English. So that's the way they work in Canada. It's either French or English. And everything has both. Alright, looks like that's just the, that's just the invoice. Alright, he got a watch, longboard series for Atlas for Men watch. Okay, let's see what kind of watch he got. Alright, well that's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Let's see what it looks like here. It's got all the instructions. Oh, and it's got like a rubberized sport. Yeah, see, it's rubberized, which is nice. Yeah, this is pretty nice, actually. Yeah. Alright, so he's going to enjoy that. That's from Longboard Stories. Okay, I never heard of them, but pretty nice, actually. Alright, let's see what he ordered here. Okay, he's got a shirt. Okay, 2 polos. Okay, let's go ahead and open them up real quick. Okay, yeah, I think he's gonna like these. Yeah, they come packaged nice too. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Okay, they may be a little bit too big. but we'll see. It has a little emblem on there. Okay, this is burgundy and gray. Okay, there's one of them. And this is gray and burgundy.
What is this?
That's your shirts. These are nice.
Black?
No, it's charcoal. Charcoal and burgundy, and then burgundy and charcoal. All right. So he'll try these on, make sure they fit. If they don't, then we'll just return them. But yeah, they're pretty nice actually. The material is nice. Did you feel the material? It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Okay.
Good, yeah.
All right, so that's so that's all for today, and I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching.